my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Grove collaborative haul. Okay, so real quick, just about Grove Collaborative. If you are not already a member of Grove Collaborative, go ahead and sign up. I'm gonna leave you my link in the description box. You'll get a free gift with your first purchase, and that free gift is amazing. I'm gonna link a video up here showing you a previous video I did for Grove. It features the free gift that you receive. If you decide to stay with Grove, it's $20 a year for their VIP program, and that gets you free shipping. It's kind of like Amazon Prime, but for Grove and much less expensive. I absolutely love the fact that I don't have to go shopping for these items at the store at all. They come right to my door. I'm not lugging them around the store. They'll price match for you. If you find it on sale, send them a screenshot or a picture of it, and they will price match for you. If you have a coupon, submit it to them. They will take your coupon. So please, go check out Grove. It is so convenient. I love the free gift you get every now and then. Actually, I usually get them in every order. I get a free gift because of a certain amount of purchase that I've made for that week, for that month, excuse me. They'll slip in a free gift. I've gotten, you know, face wipes. I've gotten hand sanitizer. I've gotten towels. Oh, these towels, let me show you. This is my towel. I have like 10 of these, 15 of these in every color. I love this. I love it for baking. It doesn't hold on to lint, which I like. So when I wash and dry it, I don't use fabric softener on my hand towels in the kitchen. I love the smell of that. I love fabric softener, but for the kitchen, I don't use that. I only use the laundry detergent. And there's one from Grove that I really love. These are fantastic. I use them when I'm proofing doughs, when I am just using them to dry my hands. I just love them, and they're from Grove. And whenever they have a new color, I order it. They're reasonably priced. Anyway, so let's get on to what's in this haul. Just go check out Grove. It's fantastic. It's wonderful. And then when you get your link, for signing up, please share with all your friends, because they're all gonna be like, I need that little tray that's sitting next to your sink, and you can say, here you go, here's my link, go get that for free, and then you'll get a little bonus too. You ever have one of those hair days? I'm having one of those hair days. Excuse the craziness going on. My hair did not want to cooperate today. Time for a cut and color. Okay, so this is really just a fill-in from Grove. This isn't my normal monthly pickup, but we've been traveling a lot, so I don't go through my cleaning supplies as much as I do the rest of the year. So this is just a quick little fill-in. Now we are about to replace all the ceiling fans in our house, and I wanted to find a new way to dust them. The way that I'm dusting them now annoys me. So I decided to try this microfiber duster refill and the microfiber duster. This one is curved and it's flexible. Is this supposed to be curved? No, it's flexible, but you can bend it in whichever way that you need. It slips into small spaces, like, you know, behind your DVR box or behind your child's or your Xbox or PlayStation or whatever the one is for this year. So that way, you know, also it gets up on the ceiling fans. You just right up there and it dusts it right off, and then you can wash this. So that's something I really like. And I did pick up the refill for it just in case it's in the wash and I need one. I always pick up a refill for these things. Okay, the next item. Now I have a couple of different versions of this scrubber. I have one that has the bristles on it. I actually like that one in my bathroom. I know that's crazy, but that's where I like to use it. I love their reusable, I think, what is it, replaceable head. This is the walnut scrubber. I love the walnut scrubber sponges. Yep, there's some in here. I typically buy them and then I throw them in the recycle bin. Are you not supposed to? I don't know, but that's where I throw mine. I feel like they're recyclable, aren't they? I don't know. You can hand wash the handle, but I throw them in my dishwasher. This part, it says you can on here, and I do the same with my walnut scrubbers. I just like this. You can get like up in there, and I like this point right here on it. You can really scrub in there sometimes, you know, sometimes you need to do that. So I picked up another one of these. Now I have one in each bathroom. I have the one with the bristles in each bathroom, and now I have this in my kitchen. So I'm excited about that. And then here's a refill for it. And here are the walnut scrubber sponges. Let's read on here. non-abrasive, and perfect for use on cooktop, glassware, countertops, and appliances. Yeah, a dishwasher, top rack dishwasher safe. Like I said, made from renewable plant materials. So that's why I throw mine in the recycle bin. Maybe it just means it breaks down. I don't know, but I really like them. I've stopped buying the other kind, you know, the yellow and green ones. I don't buy those anymore. I just get these from Grove, and they're reasonably priced. And they last a long time. I mean, so mine will start in the kitchen and then they move to the bathroom. Do you do that with your sponges? That's what I do. And then I use them in the bathroom until they just can't be used anymore. Typically I have one for the toilet and the ground, the floor, and then one for the bathroom and shower. And then I use this one with the bristles to scrub the grout. They do have a grout scrubber. I have that as well. I really like that. Okay, this is the lemon verbena scent. I just really like this. I like this. I like the radish scent. Oh, I love the radish scent. Yeah, I just love the lemon verbena. I think it's nice and fresh. I like to use this on any surface. It never leaves streaks for me. Cleans up nice and nice. I like it. I use it on my kitchen table every single day before we eat anything there because I have cats, and I use this. And I also use the disinfecting spray. I'll catch that across my table too. And then I like to follow up with this because I like the scent. So this is new. These are the cleaning vinegar wipes. I love to clean with vinegar. I clean my floors with vinegar. I also use the Grove floor cleaner. I'll pop a little picture of it up here. I love that stuff. I have ceramic tile that looks like wood grain wood on my floors, and the color of it, the sheen on it, shows every single footprint you can possibly imagine. That stuff, I spray it, I mop, I don't have to rinse, and it leaves nothing behind, and my floor is clean. You guys, I have 4 dogs, 3 of which are over 120 pounds. One's 140 pounds. They have giant paws, and they're constantly in and out. We have a pool. There are marks all over my floor just after I vacuum. So I'll run the vacuum and I'll spray that stuff all over the floor in the bottle that it came in, and I will run my quick little mop right over it with a microfiber cloth right over it. It takes me 2 minutes and my floor is clean. Absolutely love that stuff. It's the best I have found, truly, and I have tried it all. And if I don't use that, then I will use straight up vinegar and water. And that's why I wanted to, which does leave streaks, just so you know. That's why I like the other one better. This is fantastic. So I'm gonna try this. I wanna try this for like my stovetop, my sink, like just for kind of daily wiping up the sinks, the faucets on the sink, my kitchen faucet, that kind of thing. And it's small enough you can slip this under each sink in your house, like under the kitchen and the bathroom sinks. I like that. Okay. And lastly, oh, look, I knew I bought it because I go through this stuff. It's concentrated, the floor cleaner. I'm telling you, I love this stuff. It's already in my next order. My entire house is tile. I have 1,800 square feet of tile in my house, and this gets used all over my house, from heavy duty cleaning to just light mopping around the dog's water bowl and near my back door. There you go, my kitchen. I just love it, absolutely love it. I have rediscovered borax. Did you guys use it when your kids were little, if they're not still little? I used to use this all the time when my kids were little. And it's funny because I didn't really remember doing that. My husband pointed out to me. I ran out and he was like, I asked him to pick some up at the grocery store, which we couldn't find. So now it's in every Grove order. I don't ever want to be without it again. I have this, and then I'm gonna pop a picture up here also of the like whitening pods that I use. I usually get one every time, but I actually bought 2 in my last Grove order, so I have one for this month. So it's in for the next order, but I love those as well. One goes in every single wash, no matter what I'm using. And this I use with my towels, with my rugs, with my dog or my pet care items, pet towels, linens, things like that. I use for that. I also use this for our swimming towels because, you know, you get sunscreen and stuff like that on them. I use it for those. And I also like to wash with my bathing suits, anything like that. I like to use the borax. And it brings me back to my kitchen towels. That's where I use this along with my laundry detergent. Now, I do love the laundry detergent. I'm gonna pop that up here in a picture. I didn't need any this time from Grove. The Method, I really like that. I like the scent of it, but also know I love very strongly scented laundry detergents. So my towels, I actually use Suavitel, which I get from Costco. You can get it from any grocery store here. I love that too. But they do have the scent booster. And when I'm feeling the method, I get the scent booster and I throw that in with my towels and I absolutely love it. So there are times I kind of go in phases as to what I love to use from Grove and what I love to use from the grocery store. Typically, it's just the Suavitel. That's it. And I do use, I'm a runner and my husband works in the sun a lot. And in the summer, it's very hot and sweaty. I do use a store brand Arm & Hammer laundry detergent for those items. Just because I kind of feel like the method doesn't quite pull all of that out. Although, if you just use some of this in with it, it does the trick. I'm telling you, I love borax. I just love it. Absolutely love it. So, okay, that's it. Grove just had a big sale, but you should pop on over because some of the things are still on sale. So this is their summertime worry-free fun in the sun. Yeah, it talks about their candles. Oh, speaking of which, you see that back there? Oh, I love that candle. That's from my Vela box. I'll pop up a card up here just so you can. I love that. If you have not seen that video, go check it out. You need that subscription box. And I forgot one last thing. Look, tea. This is also a standing order. I love tea. Now, I get Sips By every single month. I'll pop that up in a card in case you don't know what that is. Absolutely love it. Do love it. But this is my nighttime tea. Typically, every couple of nights, if not every night, I need to order more than just one of these. This has 15 sachets in it. I have a cup of chamomile tea, and you can double brew this. It's great. It's not overly strong, but it's strong, and I like that. Now you can of course steep it less, and it won't be as strong. But this tea, they also have a black tea from Grove. I am loving it. I have reordered it and reordered it. So if you haven't tried the tea from Grove, I encourage you to do so. If you'd like to see how I use these items, typically I'm using them in my weekly vlogs. So I'll pop one up there for you to see. Well, the last one we were traveling, but if you're interested, I'll pop that right up there for you to take a look at. All right, so we're gonna try something new. I know we're here at the end of the video if you haven't clicked out already. Up here, I'm gonna leave an iCard. Okay, and that iCard is a poll. Sometimes it'll link you to a video, sometimes it'll link you to a website. It just depends, not a website, but a video or a question. And in this case, it's gonna be a poll. So I'm gonna pop that poll up there, and all you can do, it won't take you out of the video. I'm gonna ask you, have you tried Grove before? Yes or no? And go ahead and participate in that survey and click whichever answer you have there. So. And then after this video, hop on over and check out Grove. You don't have to have crazy hair like me to check out Grove. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.